Welcome all. Welcome my friends, well wishers and my students. ମୋର କିଛି ବନ୍ଧୁ ଏବଂ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଅନୁରୋଧ କ୍ରମେ ମୁଁ ଏ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି। ଆଶା କରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ। ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ତ ପସନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରାୟ କରନ୍ତିନି କେହି, ତଥାପି ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି ସରଳ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝାଇବା ପାଇଁ। ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ ବୁଝି ହେଇଯିବ ଏବଂ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ପ୍ରେରଣାଦାୟୀ ହେବ। ଆଜିକାର ଟପିକ୍ ଅଛି impossible. The topic today will be discussed about impossible. What is impossible? Why it is impossible? How can we overtake the problem impossible? What is the solution to the word impossible? We will discuss about it. Everyone of us must know the name of Napoleon Bonaparte, the great France emperor. According to him, impossible is a word found in the dictionary of fools. Once again, impossible is a word found in the dictionary of fools. This means nothing is impossible. One should think to do something so powerfully that nothing would seem impossible for him. As all of us know that one can do anything for love and war. There is no impossible things for anyone. I think we say something impossible if we had not tried to do something. From the words of Napoleon, it is clear that everything is possible on the basis of strong willpower, dogged determination, self-reliance, and sacrifice. These are the key words: strong willpower, dogged determination, self-reliance, and sacrifice. We must try to put emphasis on these four words. Strong willpower is most necessary for anything to do. If we have strong willpower, no one can change our direction. We can do everything with dogged determination and self-reliance. All of us know the name of C.N. Janaki, the first handicapped woman to cross across the English Channel. She swam across the English Channel with strong determination, self-reliance, and sacrifice. She trained for almost 4 to 5 years for the attempt. She said that nothing is impossible if we do with self-reliance and sacrifice. So, I think we say something impossible if we had not tried to do something. Fools simply have wishes and fear of failure drags their leg behind. The great minds rise above all the obstacles and fight their way for success. Strong willpower turns every impossible to possible. So, let's have our strong willpower and goals settled, so that we can make every impossible possible. The word impossible itself says that I am possible. So, if the word says I am possible, why we should think about impossible? Because everything is possible. You must believe everything tried is possible to do. So, let's have the great willpower and strong determination, self-reliance, sacrifice for our goals. We should set our goals and try to achieve the success. All of us can get the fruits of success if we nurse the seeds of hard work, labor, and our willpower. I think this video is very helpful for everyone. Everyone must enjoy it and learn something to do for their life and future. So don't think about impossible. Try to do it possible in any way. Thanks a lot. You must watch, like, share and subscribe my channel Niranjan Creations.